quadrilateral topic, and the property of quadrilateral which we have done earlier was the sum of the four angles of quadrilateral is 360, and the proof of that I had shown you. Now we will continue with the next part, that is called the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon. That was interior angles of a quadrilateral. This is sum of the exterior angles of a polygon, and the property is the sum of the exterior angle of a polygon is always 360. This is the property. The sum of the measure of exterior angle of a polygon is always 360. So if the figure is having 4 side or 5 side, then it will always have exterior angles total to be 360. So we have to apply that property, and there is a rule which we will apply, that is given here. So let's see the rule. The rule to be applied is equal to, it is dealing with the exterior angle only. So find exercise 3.2. What do you have to do in this? In this you have to find the value of x, and x is an exterior angle. Now since x is exterior, you will use the exterior angle property in this. So what is the exterior angle of a polygon? The sum of the exterior angle of any figure is always 360. So if one angle is not given and the other two are given, then the sum of x plus 125 plus 125 will become 360 based on the exterior angle property. So this is again a quadrilateral in which the exterior angles are given and one angle is not given. So since in this angle is equal to 90, this angle is equal to 70, this is 60, this outer angle of the polygon is 90 because the interior angle. So first you will find this angle is 90. So all the 5 angles are given, 4 are given and the fifth is not given. So sum of the exterior angles will be 360. So x plus 70 plus 90 plus 60 and plus 90 will be 360. So find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. So what is the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides? Now this is based on a property which is given at the end of this exercise, and it is given here that whenever we have to find the exterior or the number of sides, then we divide the 360. So if you have a quadrilateral, then we can say the number of sides is equal to 360 divided by exterior angle. In other words, I can say if I have to find exterior angle of a polygon, I will divide 360 by the number of sides. So this is nothing, the formula is changed. If I interchange the position, then exterior angle will become 360 divided by number of sides. So if I divide 360 by number of sides, then it will give the measure of the exterior angle. So in this question, it is asked find the exterior angle of a polygon whose number of sides are 9. If the number of sides are 9, it will be 360 upon 9. And when you will divide, it will give you 40. So the number of sides are 40 sides. So you have to remember this formula, which will be used in question number 2. And in question number 3, the same formula is to be used in the reverse. How many sides? So how many sides means you will use this formula. Formula is same, only the position is interchanged. So question number 3 is how many sides are there in a polygon whose exterior angle is 24. So if exterior angle is given, you will divide 360 by 24. This is question number 3. So in question 3, you will divide 360 by 24 and you will write the formula first and then you have to write the answer. Now question number 4 is not very difficult, but it is not given directly. In question number 4, how many sides? So you have to find the number of sides. How many sides are there? You have to find how many sides are there. Number of sides you have to find. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of the interior angles, its interior angle is given 165 and you have to find number of sides. So if you use the number of side formula, then it is 360 upon exterior angle. But in the question, it is interior angle given. So you can solve by finding the exterior angle. So exterior angle will be 180 minus 165. So why are we doing this? Because if there is any polygon whose, suppose if there is a polygon whose interior angle is given 165, then I can find exterior angle by using the linear pair property. So 180 minus 65 will become 15 degrees. So I have got the exterior angle now 15 degree, and now I can find number of sides. Number of sides is equal to 360 upon exterior angle. So whenever you are using any property, you should always write the property 360 upon 15. So in this question exercise, question number 4, you have to find sides. We have done. Question 5a, is it possible to have a regular polygon whose each exterior angle is 22? So if exterior angle is 22 and I write 22 here, 22 will not be able to divide 360, it will leave a remainder. So it does not mean that the figure is not possible, but if the figure is having exterior angle 22, then it will not be called a regular polygon. Its all angles cannot be regular 22. So this figure is not possible because 22 degree will not be able to divide 360 like 15 is dividing it. 15 is dividing it. So 22 will not be able to divide. This way you have to find can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? 22. So if 22 is interior angle of a regular polygon, so we have to check. So if exterior angle is 22 degrees, so we cannot divide 360 by 22. But now we are checking that what will be the exterior interior angle. So what is the interior angle? Interior angle will be 180 minus 22. So what does this give you? 158. Now if interior angle is 158 and the exterior angle is 22, the question is, can it be interior angle of a regular polygon? Suppose exterior angle is 22, then interior angle is 158. Now the question is that if 22 is interior angle, if interior angle is 22, then what will be exterior angle? You will get exterior by doing this 180 minus 22, it will give 158. If a figure is having an angle of 158 degree, will the figure be possible? So we will do 360 divided by 22. 360 divided by 158 because exterior is 158. So can you divide this? Again, it will not divide. So if the number is not dividing, it can divide, but it will give you a decimal or a fraction. If the answer is in fraction, then we will say that the figure may be possible, but it will not be a regular polygon. So this is how we check the figure is a regular polygon. And question 6, what is the minimum interior angle possible? What is the smallest interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why? Smallest interior angle. So what will it be? Smallest interior angle. Type if you know the answer. What will be the smallest interior angle? What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? So every regular polygon if we have a regular polygon, then it should be divisible by 360, and every regular polygon should start y60. What is the reason? Because any polygon, yes, 60 reason. The reason will be if you are dividing 360 by 60. Now why 60? Because a polygon is possible with minimum 3 sides. A figure cannot be made with 2 sides. So at least 3-sided figure should be there. 4 or more should be there. So the smallest polygon is a 3-sided figure. Should have 3 sides. So if it is having 3 sides and all sides, so you will write this. If it is having 3 sides, then all sides should be equal, because we want a regular polygon. A regular polygon means all sides equal. All sides equal of 3 sides means it should be equilateral. The polygon should be equilateral triangle whose each angle will be 60 degree. Therefore, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? It should be 60. Okay, and what will be the exterior angle of this figure? It will be 120. So what is the minimum exterior angle? It will be 120. Now the B part is, what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? Maximum exterior angle. Maximum exterior angle. Like smallest. What is the minimum interior angle possible? What will be the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? So maximum exterior angle will be type if you know the answer. If there is a figure, then its outer angle can be 60, 120, 100. So what is the maximum angle possible in a polygon which is regular? Okay, why it is 120? Again, why it is 120? Now just understand and then give reason. If you have a regular polygon of 3 sides, then it is equilateral triangle whose interior angle is 60 degree. Now what is the exterior angle of this polygon? Its exterior angle will be 120 degrees. Now question says, what is the maximum exterior angle possible? So if you have a figure whose exterior angle is 120 and 120 and more, then the polygon will not be possible if its angle exceeds more than 120, because we know 120 means interior angle is 60. and a figure is possible only minimum number of sides should be 3, and 3-sided figure means each angle should be 60. Therefore the maximum exterior angle, so you will write maximum exterior angle should be 120, and then give explanation with this figure that exterior angle is 120 because the figure possible is a triangle which is equilateral. So this was a short exercise which is applying property of quadrilateral and exterior angle property. And the next exercise is based on special quadrilaterals based on a parallelogram. So exercise 3.3 is based on a property of special quadrilaterals. So we will continue this in the next class, where we will understand some properties of the quadrilaterals, where they are special types, a parallelogram, triangle or a rectangle, and then we will understand this exercise. After this, if you have more topics difficulty, I will take it in the next class. So see you, goodbye and take care.